The build began with the creation of the boat's main framework, using a 5-meter timber beam as the central keel and foundation of the vessel. A separate 2-meter timber section was then prepared, and both pieces were covered with a layer of foam padding to provide additional support and protection. Plastic drums were carefully cut into sections and mounted along designated areas of the keel to provide buoyancy and strength. Every cut was planned with precision to maximize material usage and reduce unnecessary waste. Before installation, each component was thoroughly checked to ensure it was free from cracks, flaws, or damage. With the materials prepared, assembly of the boat's frame moved forward methodically. Sections of the frame were reinforced using drum segments, resulting in a durable and dependable structure capable of handling demanding conditions. Any excess material extending beyond the frame was trimmed away to create a neat and professional appearance. Construction then focused on the port and starboard sides, which were built carefully to maintain proper balance and alignment. Completing both sides marked significant progress in the overall construction process. Attention then shifted to shaping the bow, where careful adjustments were made to achieve the desired form. Measurements and details were checked repeatedly to ensure the front section matched the design specifications. Each structural element was shaped and refined to create a consistent and streamlined profile. Remaining excess material was removed from every completed section to improve both appearance and performance. Every stage of the build was carried out with accuracy and craftsmanship to ensure high-quality results. Critical joints and attachment points were strengthened to improve durability and extend the lifespan of the vessel. Trimming away unnecessary material also helped give the boat a sleek and efficient design. As construction progressed, minor adjustments were made to maintain symmetry and structural consistency. Eventually, the hull took its final shape and was ready for the next phase of the project. wooden stern assembly was then fabricated and firmly attached to the rear of the vessel. Strong marine-grade sealant was applied throughout the drum joints to create secure watertight bonds. The adhesive was selected for its durability and compatibility with the drum material, ensuring long-term reliability. To power the craft, a high-output engine was installed, providing dependable performance on the water. The engine was supported by a reinforced mounting system designed to reduce vibration and increase stability during operation. The fuel delivery system was inspected and fine-tuned to eliminate leaks and improve efficiency. A robust propeller was attached to the drive system, providing the thrust needed to move the boat effectively. Careful positioning of the propeller improved propulsion while reducing drag in the water. Built from durable, high-quality materials, the propeller was designed to withstand long-term use in demanding conditions. Its blades were polished to create a smooth finish, reducing resistance and helping improve overall speed. The steering wheel was then installed, allowing precise directional control of the vessel. A hydraulic steering mechanism was connected to provide smooth, responsive handling with minimal effort. The steering system was designed with comfort in mind, featuring an ergonomic grip suitable for long journeys. All major components were tested extensively to ensure they worked together efficiently and reliably. Connections between the engine steering assembly and propulsion system were reinforced to maximize safety and operational dependability. With construction, complete final finishing work was carried out with great attention to detail. The boat was then painted in vibrant shades of blue-green and red, giving it a striking appearance. Comprehensive water trials were conducted to verify stability handling and overall performance. The vessel performed exceptionally well during fishing activities, navigating smoothly through a variety of water conditions. It also proved to be an excellent platform for exploring scenic river environments and surrounding landscapes. By the conclusion of the project, the boat had exceeded expectations, successfully blending functionality, reliability, and a sense of adventure.